The list of what to see in Rome is immense. Packed with tourist attractions and world-famous sites, it can be hard to find all the best places to see in Rome when you're on a tight schedule. From world-renowned and bustling tourist hubs like the Colosseum to the relatively obscure villa of the Quintilli and far more beyond, Rome simply has so much to see. The Trevi Fountain is more than 86 feet high and comes from an aqueduct originally built in 19 BC. A popular legend states that visitors who throw a coin into the fountain are sure to return to Rome. Every day, about 3,000 euro are thrown into the fountain and collected at night to be given to a charitable organization. Trajan's Market was a massive open building in ancient Rome that is probably one of the world's first examples of something similar to a shopping mall. The two-level building was located in the center of the main city and was large enough to hold roughly 150 different shops. Rome has a museum dedicated to pasta. The National Museum of Pasta spans 11 rooms and 2 floors. Room after room, the museum helps visitors discover how pasta is born from wheat and what processes are used for mixing and drying it, both in the age-old methods of making pasta by hand and in modern industrial technology. In ancient Rome, purple clothing was a status symbol and reserved only for emperors or senators. To achieve the color, a dye was made from murex seashells. It was treason for anyone other than the emperor to dress completely in purple. At its peak, the Roman Empire comprised only 12% of the world's population. Rome was the first modern city to reach a population of 1 million by 50 BC. Ancient Rome was 8 times more densely populated than modern New York, but life expectancy was only between 20 to 30 years. Historians have variously dated the final collapse of the sack of Rome in AD 410 by the Visigoth king Alaric, the deposing of the last Roman emperor by the German chieftain Odoacer in AD 476, and the death of Justinian I, the last Roman emperor to try to reconquer the western half of the empire, in AD 565. The main reasons for the fall of the empire include military overreach, racial mixing, class conflict, environmental problems, invasion by emboldened tribes from northern and central Europe, inflation, fast expansion of the empire, corruption, and political incompetence.